Welcome back. Great to see you continuing your C++ journey. Every lesson you complete builds your confidence and skill. Let's dive into today's topic. C++ Beginner Course. Lesson 4.1 Variables. Today we're learning how programs store information. You've already seen values printed on the screen, but now you understand where those values actually live. Variables allow your program to remember data, update it, and use it later. Understanding how to declare and initialize variables now will make your entire C++ journey much smoother. Here's what we'll cover in this lesson. We'll define what variables are, how to declare them, and how to initialize them. We'll also talk about why initialization is important and the common mistakes beginners make when working with variables. So what exactly is a variable? A variable is simply a named storage location that holds a value. You can think of it like a label box where you store information. Every variable has a type, a name, and a value. Variables allow your program to remember information and use it later. Declaration is the process of creating a variable. When you declare a variable, you tell the compiler what type it is and what name it has. At this point, the variable exists, but it doesn't necessarily have a value yet. It's like creating an empty box with a label on it. Initialization is the process of giving a variable its first value. This happens at the moment the variable is created. Initialization is important because uninitialized variables contain garbage, unpredictable values that can cause bugs. Initializing your variables makes them safe and ready to use. Here are a few conceptual examples. You can declare a variable first and give it a value later. You can initialize a variable immediately when you create it, or you can declare and initialize in one step. We're not running code yet, just understanding the idea. Beginners often make a few common mistakes when working with variables. Using a variable before initializing it is one of the most common issues. Declaring the same variable twice or forgetting to specify the type are also frequent mistakes. These are normal and easy to fix once you understand how variables work. Let's recap. Variables are named storage locations that hold values. Declaration creates the variable and initialization gives it its first value. Uninitialized variables can cause unpredictable behavior, so always initialize them. It's great progress today. You're building a strong foundation step by step. Thanks for watching and for being part of this learning journey. Your support and subscription truly help this course grow.